In this video, I'm going to show you some of the basic functions when delivering an online class through webinar or to deliver an online meeting with colleagues. So once you have set up your chat room in Zoom, which I have made a PDF of if you need instruction of how to set this up, once you've set it up and you start your meeting, this is the screen that you will see once you log in. So you have your join audio, which you're automatically prompted to do before you enter the meeting, share screen and invite others. So if this is your first time delivering webinar, I'm just going to show you some of the functions you have using Zoom. So you have your mute to mute your microphone, start video, which I will do in a moment, which starts your own camera. You can invite others in. If you forget to invite someone to the meeting, you click invite and it will ask them for a meeting code. So you can see here at the top, this is our meeting ID. So all you need to do is let them know the code and they can join that way. You can manage your participants. So for the purpose of this, I've actually joined on my iPad as well. So you can see iPad 66 is here and I have the function to chat, ask the iPad to start the video, give them the function to host the webinar if you wanted to go back and forth between colleagues, and I can then mute or unmute all my participants at one time as well. Then you have share screen, which I will go through in a moment. Chat. Again, you can chat to everyone or you can change just to chat to a particular learner or colleague as well. And you have the record button. Again, you can set this up to record before you start your webinar. That would be done in the setup process in the PDF I've prepared also. So I'm going to show you how to share your screen. So if you wanted to share a presentation, whether it be Keynote or PowerPoint, or you wanted to share a PDF or any other, your screen, anything you want to share with others. So you select share screen, and just to note, it's important that if you're sharing a presentation or a PDF to have them open before you start your webinar so that they do appear on this screen here. So this is everything I have open on my desktop as well. So if I want to open my PDF, I find it here. So it says PDF Blended Learning. So I click on this, select share, and now my PDF is being shared with everyone in the webinar. So as I'm flicking on, this is all that the other participants can see. And as you can see now, because there's two participants, it's telling you that DDLETB Zoom is talking, which is me. And if the iPad was on, it would then say the iPad or whoever the participant that's talking is. So once you're sharing screen, you have all the functions that you previously had, and you also have the function if you wanted to draw on screen or draw attention to something. So if I want to draw with my yellow, I can then highlight things on screen, and it's just easy if you're using a PDF or demonstrating something online that you have that function, and you can choose to clear it all as well at the end. So then to stop sharing your PDF, you stop share, and now I'm going to I want to chat on video. So I've turned my video on, and as you can see now, iPad 66 is here. So that would their camera would appear on screen, and I've appeared up here because I am hosting. If there's 10 or 20 people in the meeting, they'll all appear across the screen, or you can change it to gallery view, and you can only see other people's cameras as well. So now I'm going to just go back to speaker view, and I'm going to go back and share a Keynote presentation. Hit Keynote and share, and now you can see my Keynote. So to share the Keynote, it's perfectly fine with your PowerPoint to flick between slides. The only thing I would say is if you go to full screen to play your Keynote, you will lose your mouse function. So that is why I would recommend changing it to PDF. So just to go back, hit exit, you're back out. I'm going to stop sharing, and that's that. So really, all the functions at the bottom are what you can do as a host, or like I said, you can give your participant host access also.